Hi, my name is Chris. I've been working in the Vietnam manufacturing industry since 2008. My expertise is advising startups and seasoned professionals who are investigating manufacturing in Vietnam. Are you planning a trip to Vietnam or just curious about manufacturing in countries like Vietnam? Would you like to get some friendly advice from a real person that's lived here for 10 years? Join one of my webinars. That's exactly why I do them, is to be able to connect with as many people as possible, introduce them to some basic information about living here, working here, communicating with factories, and comparing, for example, China to Vietnam, or discuss things like shipping options and the steps that are necessary to get started. Check out one of my webinars. Every Wednesday, I offer two webinars, one in the morning and one in the evening, to cover all time zones around the world. The format is 20 minutes, we cover one topic, 20 minutes, we cover another topic, and then the last 20 minutes is a live question and answer session. On the first Wednesday of every month, we talk about the pros and cons of Vietnam versus China, and then Vietnamese language and cultural tips. On the second Wednesday of every month, we compare the north to the south of Vietnam with regards to manufacturing, and we talk about travel tips to visit factories in Vietnam. On the third Wednesday of every month, we talk about working with small volume factories and comparing Vietnam price to prices, for example, in India and China. On the fourth Wednesday of every month, we talk about the steps necessary to get samples and costings done quickly, and then we talk about shipping options. Buy a ticket and then let me know what date and time you would like to join, and I will send you the Zoom link. If you join at the last minute and you don't get the link, then message me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp and we'll sort things out. I also offer one-on-one consultation that includes a factory introduction if that works for you. Let's meet on one of my webinars and then ask the question, how can we work together to grow your business? Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my webinars.